increasing basicity order of following amine compound. Primary, secondary, tertiary amines are given. What is the basicity? The basicity means ease of donation of lone pairs of atom. If the atom gives easily lone pair, then its basicity is higher. In nitrogen compound, normally the aliphatic amine are more basic than aromatic amine because the aromatic amines, the lone pair of nitrogen in conjugation, that's why the aromatic amine are less basic than aliphatic amine. We can see here the nitrogen lone pair participate in conjugation, but here the nitrogen lone pair are localized. That means the lone pair are readily available for donation, but here the lone pair is not readily available for donation. Okay, that's why it is the more basic, and aromatic amines are less basic. In option here, the D option is aromatic amines and the ABC option are aliphatic amines. So D option is least basic. Okay, that means the B option and C option is eliminated. In aliphatic amine, nitrogen is directly attached with only one carbon. Okay, that means it is called primary amine. Now, nitrogen atom is directly attached with two carbon atom. That is called secondary amine. If nitrogen directly attached with three carbon atom, that's called tertiary amine. The amines are in vapor phase or soluble in aprotic solvent. Basicity of amine is the 3-degree amine is most basic, then 2-degree amine, and then 1-degree amine. The second probability is the amine is soluble in protic solvent. In protic solvent, hydrogen bonding is possible and the solvent is polar solvent. The order of basicity is the most basic is 2-degree amine, then 3-degree, and then 1-degree. This is the exceptional order. Okay, now when a 2-degree amine in protic solvent, nitrogen will be protonated and it gives, now this lone pair abstract this proton, okay, and become tetrahedral. Okay, perfect tetrahedral. Why? Because two ethyl group are same and two hydrogen group are same. Okay, so the sterically less hindered. Okay, that and tetrahedral is symmetric. The availability of these two hydrogen form two hydrogen bonding in solution. The water is available in polar protic solvent. This is the conjugate acid and it is the exceptional stable by hydrogen bonding and tetrahedral symmetric shape. That's why the 2-degree amine, secondary amine are more basic than 3-degree. Here in question there is no clarity about any solvent, but we know amines are available in liquid form. That means they are in protic solvent. So they follow the order is 2-degree, 3-degree and 1-degree. The 2-degree amine is most basic. In option D, B is most basic. Okay, and in A option the A is most basic, okay, but that's why the A is eliminated and our option D is